Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 5.2 Pre-Algebra Math Part 1. And today we have a 34-point class worksheet here to do. We have 0 points of note-taking. Here are our standards here, expressions and equations, a number system, use property of operations to generate equivalent expressions, adding and subtracting like fractions today. Teachers, here's our bell work today. Which number is not equivalent to this? Which number is greater than negative 1.5 down here? Give your students 5 minutes. Okay, welcome back for our solutions to our bell work. So it'd be C here. 0.666 would be not equivalent to 40 over 66, which is this number here, 6060. Repeating, so it'd be 0.60 is what it would be, which number is not equivalent to it. So 0.6 would be 0.666. 60 over 99. That would be then 20 over 33. That'd be 1/2 of this. 60 over 99 would be 1 1/2 of this. 1.5 times numerator denominator. And then 0.60, that does not equal 0.6666. And then for number 2, which number is greater than negative 1.5, it will be H. Negative 1.4554545. This would be 3 1/2. And negative 3 1/2, which should be the same. Not 3 1/2. 3 1/2. Yeah, negative 3 1/2. That'd be much smaller than negative 1.5. So it would be H, right? Okay, into our lesson. Adding and subtracting like fractions. You add and subtract the decimals. You add and subtract fractions. So 1/77 over 100 of the moon's visible surface is illuminated. The next night, an additional 9/100ths is illuminated. What fraction of the moon's visible surface is illuminated on the second night? Question of the lesson. Adding, subtracting like fractions. To add or subtract fractions with the same denominator, write the sum or difference of the numerators over the denominator. 4/9 plus 1/9 equals 5/9, and then a plus b over c would be a plus b over c. 9/11 minus 2/11 would be 7/11. Here would be a minus b over c. And this is your situation here. Classwork sheet page C. Okay, into our first example here, and here's your moon. To find a fraction of the moon's visible surface that is illuminated when the second eye is described above, find the sum of 77 and 9 over 100. So we add those together, and we get 86 over 100, which can be simplified to 43 over 50. On the second eye, 43 over 50 of the visible surface is illuminated. Into our first guided practice, find the sum or difference. This is your students here. We're going to do this one here right now. This is over 7/12. So what would that be? Well, this would be an addition. It would be 1 plus 7 over 8 over 12, which is simplified to 2 over 3. Students do. Into our second example, subtracting like fractions. So how will we subtract those? Negative 4 over 7 minus 2 over 7. Write the difference of numerators over the denominator. This becomes negative 6 over 7, so it would be a negative 6 over 7 is what that would be. Into our next example, B, 1/10 minus a negative 3/10. So a negative of a negative is a positive. 1/10 plus 3/10, and that would be 4/10, would it not? So 4/10 would simplify to 2 over 5. Into our second guided practice, students, this is yours. We're going to do this up here. 2/15 minus 7/15. 2 minus 7 over 15. Negative 5 over 15 would be negative 1 over 3 is what that was simplified to. That's all your students, and that is lesson 5.2, part 1. Part 2, part 3 available here. Thank you.